Hello guys, I hope mko poa. Today I'm going to just teach you few things about trading and how to create your account using a FBS account or using FBS broker. Hapa ndio unaweza tumia, hiyo ni link, utatumia mtu kutumia link ku create account. Na first thing inakuonyesha country of residence, FBS registration, county of residence. Hapa gojea kwanza irudi kidogo, ikirudi kidogo just for a few minutes. County of residence, unakuja unaandika county yako ile umetoka, ama country yetu ni Kenya, unaandika Kenya, unaweka okay. Hautahitaji tu kuweka details mingi hapo, utapiga hapo just for Google, ijipeleke kwa email, just finya click your email. For me, I'm going to use my second email because I have two emails, so therefore I'm going to use Brian Nganga. For that, itanipeleka just straight to my dashboard. Just give it for a few minutes to load. Na ndio hiyo Brian Nganga dashboard, ndio hiyo. First thing inakuuliza kama unataka real account. Kuna standard account na cent account, low risk. For the standard account inahitaji $58. Na hiyo ingine low risk unaweza just tumia as low as $350, so therefore hiyo ni $400 and above. Ama $4, not $4, yes, $4 and above. Hiyo nao ni $460 and above. Step 2 inakuambia you choose your meta ama choose your trading platform. For me it's trading MetaTrader 5. Currency ni USD. Ratio ile na tradia nao ni 1:500. Na unagoja load kidogo ndio it create, just to open your account. Na ndio hiyo to my dashboard, ndio hapo. Just wait, give it some time to load. Na ndio dashboard yangu, ndio hiyo. I have $0. For now I don't have any amount of money because nimetoka kutoa. I've just withdrawn my account. Now I don't have any amount left, so therefore the next thing nitaenda just to my FBS app. Na unaweza create an account ama download your account, is available on Play Store or Palm Store. Just download it and hiyo just straight to my FBS account, my FBS broker app. Just wait it to the login and hiyo ikiweka una create your pin. Just give it some time, weka pin yako, siri yako, ndio hiyo inafunguka. For the first thing wanakupeleka ni cryptocurrency. This is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is whereby computerized money haiwezi shikika. Ukiangalia hapo juu kwa cryptocurrency ni kuna allo inakupeleka kwa saved, popular, forex, metal. Acha tuingie kwa saved. Saved ni zile wewe mwenyewe unazipenda na umeziweka kwa saves. Sawa. Yangu ya kwanza ni Tron to USD, Solana to USD, Doge to USD, Bitcoin, Gold, Japan to USD, USD to Canada, US 100, in British Pound to USD, British Pound to Japan, Europe to Japan, Australia. The next thing is popular. Popular ni zile miwa nimeziweka ama zile zinatumika sana with most people. Ukiangalia gold in the first one, USD, Europe to USD, Bitcoin to USD, USD to Japan. The next ni forex. Touch tuingie forex. Forex is the biggest amount ama the biggest largest market in the whole world. Na ukiangalia there are so many various types of currency that you can trade in forex, as many as possible. There are more than 20 currency which you can trade with it on forex. Ukiangalia there are just different types. Let me just look for you. Europe to USD dollars. Just for a few minutes. Let me just scroll down here. Look for you. Nope, it's not here. Let me just scroll upward slowly by slowly. Don't show up always, don't worry. I'm going to teach you everything, how it usually works. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trading Academy. Even in TikTok, Trading Academy. Yes, Europe to USD dollars. As you can see, for now it is in an uptrend. So therefore, people who are in online, you can just buy. But be very careful because there are some signals here I can just see, but they're good signal because you can just buy. As you can see, it was a downtrend, but for now it's going to up. So therefore, I believe that it can come down, it can go up until to this point. So therefore, you can buy and hold from down here. As you can see, it was a downtrend, now it's an uptrend. If you can just look down here for sell margin, it is $2.91. You can just trade it USD to Japan. Let me just say it. Japanese yen, it is $2.50. As you can see, it's an uptrend. It was an uptrend. If you can just see very clearly, and you can see it. I am using a 1 hour time frame. British pound to USD. As you can see, I was in the market some few days behind. That you can see, I predicted that this market will go down, and suddenly as you can see, it already performed. I have predicted it. It went down and then up, down, up. But if I was there in the market, I could just withdraw some few amount of money, good amount of money. As you can see, it's an uptrend for the past few days, but for now it's an downtrend. But I hope that it will go up very soon, and even it's in an uptrend. So therefore, let me just remove all the chart that I have drawn, and let's go to the next thing. But for now, I want to just let me just go to metals. The first thing, it's gold. The biggest it's gold, then gold to the second one is silver, the third one is gold. The first one is the gold spot. As you can see, gold is good. It is $8.25. When you have $8 in Kenyan shilling, it's around more than 700, if I'm not wrong, more than 700, so that you can just trade gold. As you can see, it was an uptrend, and gold, it's somehow, I could just advise so many beginners, if you want to trade, just try to understand how gold usually works, gold usually works. Sorry for that, sorry for the mistake, for that noise. Just understand how the gold usually works and trade it. Just trade with the gold and you can just make some good fortune. The next one is silver spot. As you can see, silver spot is 4.87, around 500 Kenyan shilling. If you have Kenyan shilling, if you have more than 500 on your account, you can just trade silver. With the Australian dollar, it is 8.24. No difference with silver. There's no difference between gold and what Australia with Europe, Australia in USD, Australia in US dollars. No changes. But if you can just see very well, they are somehow similar. because now it's gold, and Europe it is 8.24, and the same thing usually appears in gold in British pound. It is 8.24 US dollars. Let's see, which is this silver? It's $4. Platinum, it is $3.23. And then palladium, it's how many dollars? Let's see, $2.88 for the sell and 2.89 for the buy. So therefore, it's a difference for 1 point. And if you can see, it was an uptrend, so therefore I believe it will be the next move, it will be a downtrend, if I'm not wrong. And if you can just see very well, it's a downtrend and it's going bearish, so therefore people, you can just go to the market now and just sell. The next one is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, the biggest, Ethereum, Solana. The first one is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 2.21. Bitcoin has fallen for the past 1 month because how Trump have been on the social media quarreling with China because of gold. And now Bitcoin has fallen because US dollars doesn't have that power. So therefore, if you can just see back there, it was a very big back burning, a downtrend, but it somehow consolidated. So therefore, Bitcoin is not usually the best option to trade with if you are not sure what you are trading. Ethereum to USD, it's around $0.7, around how many? 50 to around 90 in Kenyan shilling. You can just put your money over there, just wait, hold it until you are grown your account very well. If you are a beginner, just put your money, hold it until your account has grown. For the next one is Lipa to USD dollar. Lipa, the same thing. I don't think it's a high cost to trade with Lipa. It's around 50 bob. If you have 50, more than 50, but you are a beginner and you are afraid to trade, to lose your money, just trade with Lipa, and by the end of the day you will get your money. If you can see here very well, it was a big uptrend, now downtrend for this red candlestick. For those people who don't surely know what is a candlestick, there are this green candlestick and red candlestick. For the green candlestick is a buy, for the red candlestick is a sell, and those long sticks over there, they are wicks. And if you can see very well, there's some few time frame: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. For the 15 minutes, it's a downtrend, a bearish. For the 30 minutes, the same thing. For the 30 minutes, a downtrend. So therefore, you can sell if you are using the same time frame. For the 1 hour, the same thing or different. For the 1 hour, it's a bearish. You can buy. If you are using 1 hour with 4 hours, it's a bearish. You can just buy. But if you are using 15 to 30 minutes, 15 minutes with 30 minutes, you can sell. 1 hour to 4 hours, you can buy. Bitcoin crash with US dollars, it's around $0.10, so therefore it's around 10 to 20 Kenyan shilling. You can just invest with it, and it is 4 hours and it is a bearish. Bitcoin versus USD, it's $0.19, so therefore it's around 10 to 12, 20 Kenyan shilling. Cryptocurrency is very easy to trade with and very fast to get to grow your account, but it takes some time to grow your account. So therefore, and this is what Tone coin and the USD. I think this is Trump coin. If I'm not wrong, is 0.01. Allowed how many? Even it's not allowed in Kenyan shillings. It's less than 10 bob. So therefore, you can just put your money over there, invest with it, trade and trade until you have grown your account so that you can trade the bigger trade with like Bitcoin, the little Bitcoin. Over here we have Tron coin versus USD. It is 0.6. The same thing, it's not allowed all not approximately 10 bob. The same thing for 1 hour bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes bearish. So therefore you can sell, but to just wait for the signals so that you can buy or sell. Don't hurry. In trading, we don't usually rush to trade, so therefore wait for the market to respond on your graph or on your target. There are so many strategies people usually use to trade with, so therefore just wait and you can just use them. What is this? Bitcoin versus gold spot is 0.26. In 30 minutes, it is a bearish. Bitcoin versus gold spot, it's a bearish. For the 1 hour, a bearish. Bullish. 4 hours bullish. So therefore you can buy. Bullish is buy, bearish, sell. Sorry for the confusion over there. Solana versus US dollars. It is 0.04. For the beginners, I could just advise you just to use Solana, because Solana, you can just use simple strategy, simple target, and you can grow your account. For me, I usually use, if I don't have enough money to my account, I just use Solana, trade with it during the night, and during the morning, I could just fund my account with $2 to $5 above it. The same thing with Bitcoin versus Ethereum. 1 hour bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes bearish. So therefore it's a sell. You can just sell over there and hold. No hurry. Dogecoin or Dogecoin, whatever your pronunciation. 1 hour, 1 minute, 30 minutes bearish, 1 hour bullish, 4 hours bullish. So therefore you can buy if you are using that time frame. It is $0.04. So therefore less than 10 shilling in Kenyan shilling, less than 10. For the next one is energies. These are petroleum, US crude. You can just invest with that. It is for this, it is $3.7. The next one, what is it? UK Berlint. You can just trade with $3.26. For the next one, as you can see here, it's a bearish. For the next one, what is it? UK natural gas. It is 1.97. Almost. For the sell, it's 1.97. For the bullish, 1.98. And it is a bearish. Sorry. You can sell over here. I don't usually advise people to deal with energies because I don't know much about them. But if you can just understand them, well and good, just trade with them. For the next one, what is that? Indices. This is UK, Australia, France, those are just indices. I don't usually do most of it, but it's a good amount of money, $5 to trade it, and I hope it usually brings a lot of money. Is there anybody usually deal with the indices? Can you just comment and just tell me? Sorry for that. That is my profile. Let's see the next one. The next one is what? The next one is stocks. Stocks are the marketing or the companies usually sells their shares. So therefore, in what? When you deal with the CDS, you can just buy shares, the real shares, and just hold them. But in trading, you won't buy them. You just trade them on that exact money, on that exact time, and just trade or just buy or sell them on that the same time. Because you are trading them but not buying them. If you just go to the CDS account, you just buy the shares and just hold them. That is a video for another day. I will just create it, show you how to buy the shares and just hold them. There are more than 100 stocks over here, so many. As you can see very well, there are some stocks which are closed and there are some stocks which are open for now at 850 something for now in Kenya. So therefore, there are some accounts, some companies which you cannot trade at this time. You must wait, like Facebook, it's closed totally. FBS is closed, but there are some Air, BMW, IFX, AAL, SHL, HSBA, ALB, MKMC. There are so many companies which you can just trade during the midnight, because for now they are not open. The stocks, trading stocks, they are not open. You just wait for them. Thank you for watching. I don't think there's anything. If there is any question you want to ask, get my number on the profile on TikTok. It is on my TikTok account. Just go follow me. Thank you for your time. Be blessed. God bless you.